Want to know your credit score without the hassle? Let's dive into how to check it right within your TD Bank app. First, locate the TD Bank app on your phone. It's usually a blue icon with the TD logo. Tap it to open. Now, log in using your usual username and password. Make sure you have your security questions or authentication method ready, just in case. Once you're logged in, look for a More or menu button, often found at the bottom right or left corner of the screen. Tap on it. A menu will pop up. Scroll down until you see Credit Insights or something similar related to credit score. Tap on that option. Great, you should now see your credit score displayed prominently on the screen. This page might also show you factors impacting your score and tips for improvement. Some versions of the app allow you to view a more detailed credit report right here. Explore the page to see if you can access additional information. And that's it. You've successfully checked your credit score within the TD Bank app. Remember to check it regularly to stay on top of your financial health.